I still remember the day I walked into the pound to pick up my rescue dog. There were 150 dogs there, crammed together in an open-air shelter. The young ones had a slim chance. The older ones, none. In the summer, they suffer under the brutal sun. In winter, they shiver in the cold. Some of them have been waiting for years. Some will never leave. Spain has a dog problem, but not the kind most people think of. This isn't about strays roaming the streets. It's about dogs who are abandoned, discarded, and left to die because there are simply too many of them and not enough people adopting. The truth is, I hear so many people say, "I found this dog on the highway." It's normal here, but ask yourself, why was the dog on the highway in the first place? Why are there so many rescues? It comes down to a few major reasons. Number one, dogs aren't fixed. In many countries, sterilization is standard. Here, it's rare. People don't see the need. Puppies happen, and when they do, they're often dumped. Number two, dogs are sold in stores. Yes, you can still walk into a shop and buy a puppy like it's a pair of shoes. The impulse buy culture fuels the cycle. People buy a dog without thinking, realize it's a commitment, and 6 months later, that dog is on the street or in the pound. Number three, hunting dogs are disposable. In Spain, hunting dogs, galgos, greyhounds, and podencos, different kind of hound, are often discarded at the end of the hunting season. Some are abandoned, others are killed, and thanks to a recent legal change, hunting dogs don't even have the same protection as pets. If someone abuses a galgo, it's not considered a crime. These dogs are tools, not companions in the eyes of the law. The flip side is the people who care. Despite all of this, there's something remarkable happening. Many Spanish people take in rescues. I've met countless people who've given abandoned dogs a home, spending time and money to rehabilitate them. They know the system is broken, and they do what they can. Wherever you are, this isn't just a Spanish issue, it's global. If you live in Canada, the US, or anywhere else, never buy a dog from a store, ever. Rescue, don't shop. Every dog bought from a breeder or a store is one less home for a dog that's already waiting. Exotic pets don't belong in cages. Those iguanas, birds, and turtles in pet stores, they should be in the wild, not in your living room. Spain's animal laws are changing. More people are adopting. But until sterilization is the norm, until stores stop selling animals like merchandise, and until hunting dogs are seen as more than tools, there will always be 150 dogs in a pound waiting for a chance they'll never get. So if you ever find yourself thinking about getting a pet, make it one that truly needs you.